A hotel folio is a detailed statement that records all financial transactions between the hotel and the guest during their stay. It includes charge for room rates, meal, beverages, spa service, telephone calls, and any other service the guest use.
Any charges posted to the guest account are posted, either manual or through the hotel's computer system. Computer-posted charges are known as interface posting, and these are common for motor outlets that use a cash register and point-of-sale system such as a restaurant or gift shop.
At ngayon naman po pag-uusapan naman po natin patungkol po sa roam charge. Roam charge, it is the quest that we have a credit card and file for an account are eligible to sign for changes to guest rooms. At the point of sale, guests sign and receive authorizing and charge be paid by the method of payment on the account. The charge is then posted to the appropriate folio for the charge type. The alternative to a room charge is using another method of payment for services, such as cash or credit. Guests without credit cards on file are considered cash only guests and do not have room charging privileges.
A late charge occurs when a guest signs for a room charge after checking out the hotel. Common late charges include breakfast or minibar charges and manual posting due to system outage. Since the guest had a credit card on file, the front desk is able to use same card to pay for the charges. If the credit card declines, an invoice is mailed to the guest address of record. A late charge occurs when a guest incurs additional expenses after they have checked out the hotel. These charges are not included in the final bill provided at checkout but are discovered later.
Advance deposit are prepayments for a guest room or other hotel services. These deposits are commonly used to secure reservations for meetings or conventions to held at the hotel, and the most catering or a group events. These deposits are required 72 hours before the event occurs. The deposits are posted to the group account, and charges are posted against the account as they occur.
Good evening, Sir Takano. Good evening, classmates. My name is Maureen Dalo, and this time I am going to discuss you the meaning of Chief Financial Officer. Chief Financial Officer is a senior executive responsible for managing the financial actions of a company. They oversee financial planning and record keeping as well as financial reporting to ensure compliances with regulations and accounting standards. In the accounting department, the CFO typically plays a key role in financial strategy, budget management, financial analyst, and risk management. They collaborate closely with other executives and departments to make strategic decisions that impact the financial health and growth of the organization. Next, please.
Enterprise Resource Planning or ERP is a kind of a software that can help your everyday in business. For the example, ERP can help you from a human resources, supply chain, or even a manufacturing by day. ERP helps you by monitoring every single day by using automations systems that can help your business.
The Financial Department is responsible for preparing accurate financial statements, recording transactions, preparing budgets and forecasts, maintaining internal controls, conducting audits, and preparing financial information for external stakeholders. It also collaborates with auditors to ensure adherence to regulations and accounting standards. Financial analysis is performed to assess profitability, liquidity, and solvency, aiding management in making informed decisions and evaluating the financial impact of strategies.
Capital management involves utilize the company financial resources including cash flows, debit, equity, and investment to ensure the organization meet financial obligation and achieve its goal. And working capital management help maintain smooth operation can also help to improve the company.
The next topic that we're going to discuss is all about the purchase accounting. It is a practice of revising the assets and liabilities of an acquired business to their fair values at the time of the acquisition. This treatment is required under the various accounting framework such as GAAP and IFRS.
Inventory accounting, the body of accounting that deals with valuing and accounting for changes in inventoried asset, refers to the goods and materials a business hold for ultimate goal of resale, production, and utilization.
Duties of the accounting staff. A hotel controller is a senior financial manager in the hospitality industry. The controller is an accounting professional who oversees financial reporting, investments, risk management, and flow analysis, among other financial aspects of the business. Their responsibilities usually cover various financial management activities, making sure that financial reporting is accurate and participating in strategic planning.
Secretary performs many clerical and administrative duties that are necessary to run an organization effectively. Your secretarial duties will be vary according to your specific job title. For example, as an executive secretary, you'll perform a few critical duties and instead of focus on a supporting high-level executive, supervising office staff, conducting research, and arranging meetings. If you become a medical secretary, you'll create a medical histories for patient, transcribe medical reports. As a legal secretary, you'll be prepare a legal documentation such as subpoenas, a motion, and in general, secretary organize paperwork and electronic files, manage projects, arrange meeting, conduct research, and communicate through phone, mail, and email. You may be responsible for creating spreadsheet, developing presentation or reports, composing correspondence, and managing databases. Other duties and can include purchasing supplies, managing stock rooms, greeting visitors, and handling travel management or arrangement.
Assistant Controller. In a big hotel, you may see one or a few assistant controllers. In smaller hotels, there may not be any. The controller divides the various functions to be performed so that the workload will be even. For example, one might be responsible for daily transactions while another works on special projects, budgets, analysis, and the like. Daily transactions. Oversee daily financial transactions. Ensure all transactions are accurately recorded and reconciled. Special projects. Handle special accounting projects as needed. Provide financial analysis and support for various hotel initiatives. Budgets. Assist in the preparation and monitoring of budgets. Analyze budget variance and provide reports to the controllers.
General cashier is a key position in the financial operation of the business. Typically in the hospitality or retail industry, the role of general cashier involves handling financial and transaction managing, cash flow, and ensuring the accuracy of financial records.
Front office cashier. The duty of the front office cashier are often incorporated with the front office personnel. When guests check out, is the duty of this cashier to charge the guest of the correct amount and secure a form of payment.
Night auditors. Night auditors are also known as the graveyard shift. They call it like that because their work starts at night. However, because of the advanced technologies, hotel industry doesn't need night auditors anymore. And some of the hotels change the night auditors to day auditors.
A food and beverage controller. This is a fun and challenging position as it has both accounting and food and beverage components. A food and beverage controller is utilized in hotels, restaurants, resorts, and other hospitality establishments to manage and optimize the financial aspects of food and beverage operations. They track cost, manage inventory, make purchasing decisions, analyze profitability, and ensure compliance with regulatory and internal standards. Their role is crucial in maintaining financial efficiency and maximizing profitability within the food and beverage department. A food and beverage controller oversees the financial aspects of food and drink operations and hospitality settings. They manage cost, inventory, purchasing, and financial reporting to ensure profitability and compliance with standards.
Accounts payable. A key area in accounting, accounts payable ensures that all bills are paid on time and all discounts are taken, minimizing the cost of hotels. Accounts payable clerk work closely with the purchasing department to verify all invoices to the hotel.
Guest ledger. It refers to the state of accounts related to the registered hotel guest. It is also known as a transient ledger. Front office ledger or rooms ledger, city ledger also called the non-guest ledger. It is the collection of non-guest accounts. The ledger provides a detailed breakdown of charges, including the date and time of the transaction, the description of the charge and the amount, one of the primary functions of the guest ledger to facilitate the billing process.
A banquet auditor in large hotel reviews and verifies income from banquets. This income is primarily generated by banquet staff, sales, office staff, and accounts receivable. Clerks, the hotel also earn significant amount of revenue from guest room.
Credit manager. Every hotel has its own credit manager, whose function is to check and grant credit. In today's business world, many transactions are done on credit rather than cash or cashier checks. It is therefore the credit manager's responsibility to conduct such investigations to be ensured that a person or company is credit worthy.
Payroll is the process of paying employees. It can also refer to a list of paid employees or the total amount of money paid to those employees. A payroll system is what a business used to pay the correct amount of money to the right people on the required dates.
Operations Analyst. An operations analyst is responsible for analyzing various aspects of an organization's operations to identify opportunities for improvement. This includes processes, systems, and workflows across departments. Operations analysts gather and analyzes data to evaluate operational performance metrics such as productivity, efficiency, and quality. They use this data to identify inefficiencies and recommend improvements in process and procedures to enhance overall and reduce cost. Additionally, operations analysts create reports and documentation to communicate findings and recommendations to stakeholders and management. They also support operational projects by providing analytical insights and recommendations to ensure project success. To excel in this role, operations analysts typically possess strong analytical skills, attention to detail, and the ability to work with data systems. Communication skills are also essential for presenting findings and collaborating with different teams effectively. In conclusion, operations analysts play a critical role in driving operational excellence within organizations through data-driven insights and continuous improvement initiatives.
System Manager. Since the various accounting functions cover the entire hotel operation, the system manager or system analysis, whose job is to take care of all technologies issue, is normally founded within the accounting department. In a smaller hotel, title controller or an assistant controller may take on this responsibility. Normally, this position is found at a regional or corporate level and system level, and analysis will be dispatched to assist the properly when needed.
So what is security department? A security department inside organization is often a specialist unit tasked with protecting the organization's assets, personnel, and information. The security department may also be responsible for implementing security rules and procedures, conducting investigations into security breaches or incidents, and delivering security training, and awareness program to staff. Access control is restricting access to critical areas using key cards, biometric devices, or security people. The next one is emergency response plans. Creating and implementing protocols for responding to emergencies such as fires, natural disasters, and security concerns. And the last one is training and awareness. Providing frequent training sessions to staff on security policies and procedures must be held.
Maintenance Department. This department mandates the protection of the building or owner's assets, the structure from the facade or building envelope to the integrity of the floors, walls, ceilings, and all of the furnitures, fixtures, and equipment or FF&E contained therein. Aside from the base building, office building is quite easier to maintain. Generally, offices and shops within commercial buildings are subject to various lease arrangements, with the tenant often being responsible for all.
The Communication Department, sometimes called Public Relations or Public Affairs, plays a vital role in an organization's success by managing both internal and external communications. To ensure effective communication, it collaborates closely with other departments to understand the organization's need and dynamics. This collaboration allows the department to craft accurate and consistent messages that reflect the organization's goals and values. As technology evolves, the communication department's responsibilities expand to include digital and online presence management. This might involve hiring specialists like computer programmers to develop and maintain the organization's websites or designers to create daily online contents. These professionals can work exclusively for the communication departments or provide services across various departments. Additionally, for specialized tasks like video production, the department might contact or contract external experts to produce high-quality content, ensuring the organization stays current and engaging in its communications.
The purchasing department effectiveness is critical not only for operational smoothness, but also for achieving competitive advantage, cost control, and quality management. A good purchasing department will minimize costs and purchase goods. Screen vendor for quality at track order from initiation to reception.
So here in Electronic Data Processing Department, I'm going to share the responsibilities of the Department of Electronic for hotels. So their primary responsibilities, they monitoring and repairing the hotel's computer system. They have a service provided. They have a basic troubleshooting support for hardware and software issues. And every hotel have a technician training where they typically undergo training to enhance their analytical skills and knowledge of the computer systems.